right here's the loft floor right here. Praise the Lord. Look at this. Look at this. Man. This is beautiful. Stairs right there.
Come down, man.
Dog.
Come on. Yo, let's get you. Let's roll. Let's roll. Come on, man. Dinner.
Oh, so we're closing.
Gonna build a wall right there. Close the stairs in. Come up there. And then that'll have step up floor over here. So above the garage, there's gonna be a step up floor over there. So I'll also be able to use that for storage as well. So I got plenty of storage space now. Look at that. So I'll be able to put Leslie's in here. So my boxes of items that I have is gonna be going all along, stacked all along here. And then the Leslie's gonna be all in here. Just row after row after row of Leslie cabinets.